Everyone, I'm going to be demoing the Surf Chrome extension for you today. Surf is a Chrome extension to help you find new exciting content on YouTube and to show you your viewing habits so that you're able to beat your algorithm essentially. So I've downloaded Surf and have signed in through my Google YouTube account. You'll see the icon up here with my other downloaded Chrome extensions. I'm currently signed into my YouTube account. So you're seeing the algorithm, YouTube's algorithm of recommended videos right now. So I'm just going to click on that right there. Surf will show you the average watch time of videos, but where the real meat of it is showing you your experience and giving you options to explore new experiences. So it'll show you the keywords that you interact with most on YouTube, basically a breakdown of the algorithm of these videos that are being recommended to you. And it'll give you options for new keyword searches that are beyond your recommendations to show you new, fresh, exciting contents or important content that you might not have engaged with otherwise. So we can adjust this here and we'll get some new recommendations. Essentially, you can adjust how much this matches your experience, and it'll give you new keywords each time to prompt you to take leaps outside and find new content. So here, street art looks pretty exciting. I'm going to give this a go. What this will do is actually launch a search for me in YouTube where I can go and, through my own agency, pick which video I might want to engage with myself. 100 most creative street art. This looks pretty cool. And I'll just pause that for the video here. But that is basically it. So this has broke me out of my algorithm. It's allowed me to find a new cool video that I wouldn't have engaged with probably otherwise. And you'll see here that Surf has popped back into the tab up here, and we have some recommendations we can still launch at any time, and we can quickly boost or decrease the profile match. So if we want to get really crazy, we can go all the way down to 0%, and that'll give us things that are totally random, totally unique, and have nothing to do with who we are online, on YouTube specifically at the moment. Or we can go all the way up to 50%, and that'll give us some things that are more related to what we're currently watching, but still giving us some new content. And that's it. If you like it, click the link below to download the extension and start trying it out yourself.